the aspect or how we correlate to this, but we have always seen that a child who is very good at young age has a better adulthood. Now there are certain aspects to this. Giving a good childhood or a healthy childhood to a particular child is very important, because that is going to create his personality in future. There are few things that I would highlight today of having a healthy childhood is, first of all, a child should have a loving set of parents. If the child realizes that I'm not being loved, then that is not good for the child. Going around the places, yes, at times it is very hassle-some, because you're getting transferred from one location to other, the child is having new set of friends, but then knowing new cultures makes your child have a broader mindset and is receptive to the changes. Thirdly, childhood friends. Friends are something that we have made memories with. So our childhood friends are something that we remember them throughout the life. I still remember my childhood friend because they have taught me to love, care and share. Fourthly, the most important thing is the preschool that you select for your child, because 0 to 6 years are a very formative age of your child, and your child needs to go to a school which not only teaches him or her to be excellent with academics, but needs to be taught human values, because we all need to understand that whatever we are first a human being, and rest things follow with it. Lastly, a good teacher. What a teacher cannot do? A teacher can do everything. She can teach your child, bring the best of your child in any learning circumstances. So I request the parents to follow the steps to have a healthy childhood.